Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to write a program to print a half pyramid of stars. So let's start. First, I will make three variables I, j, and number of rows, which will be input by the user. So first, I am printing. Enter the rows declaration. Then I am writing a scanf statement and entering modulus d because of an integer and storing value in rows. Then I am opening a for loop. The loop will start from I is equal to 1 to number of rows and it will be plus plus I. So in this I am again opening a for loop which will start from I is equal to j, for as it will start from, so it will start from j is equal to 1 to j less than equal to I, and it will be like j plus plus j. So inside this I'm going to write print stars, and after each for loop, this in the each statement I'm again going to add a print s inside that session. So the code is complete. I forgot to add a semicolon. Now do okay. Okay. I'm going to add a 5 rows and it will print like this. No, only 2 rows. Thank you for watching.